Hello, my name is Shivansh, and today I'm ranking iPhone alarms. So yeah, let's get started. Let's start off with okay, medicine is not that bad. I know, yeah, I'm gonna rank them 1 to 5. 1 being why would you use that? Go to the mental hospital. And 3 means you're good. And 5 means you're the best person I ever meet. For that sound, I meant it's not bad, just people use that commonly. I'm gonna rank this as 3. Okay, that must be a prank. I'm ranking this 2. If you actually use that sound, then you're a Nintendo character. Okay, to be for real, when I found this video, I thought I'm gonna rank this as 1, but after I heard that a little bit, I'm gonna rank this as a 2. Meh, like if you actually rock this with that sound, you're a psychopath, but you have aura. Okay, if you ever rock, okay, I don't know why does it even sound like that. If you ever rock that sound at the middle of the night, you're you're gonna give me instant nightmares after I watch the TikTok Borderlands. Okay, not that bad. Well, this commenter tell me it gives them chills. But hey, I'm gonna rank this as a 3. It really not that bad. Okay, I'm gonna rank this as a 2. If you actually have that alarm, then you're gonna give a sleepover PTSD. Okay, not that. Or I had to did that because why not? Okay, I think people really use that sound a lot because why not? But it's really not that bad. Like you're just overreacting for nothing. I'm gonna give this a 3. Oh, gotta do something. Give me a sec. Alright, I'm back again. Now let's hear it again. Okay, it's not that bad. I'm gonna give this a 3. If you have that, if you have that alarm back in the days, then you're gonna rank as 2. But if you rank with that thing, then then you really love the circus themed. Okay, I think I'm gonna rank this as the first time to being a 4. If you actually have that sound, then then you really then you really love the funkiness of that music. Isn't that right? Okay, that's going in 1. If you actually have that sound, get sent to the mental hospital. Pack up your things and get sent to the mental hospital. If you have that sound, then you're crazy. But wait, there's still more. Okay, I'm gonna rank this at 2. If you actually have that sound, then you're crazy. Opening. I mean, it's not bad, but people use it that much. I'm gonna rank this as a 3. Okay, if you actually okay, if I was ever friends with Birdie and then Birdie let her play that sound as a prank, I'm literally gonna scream at top of my damn lungs, and then after that, my parents would wake up and beat me up. And yeah, it'll be all Birdie fault, not my fault. Birdie fault, blame on Birdie, not me. If you actually use that sound, then I'm not sure. Then I'm not sure if you belong to a horror movie or a or a T warning gore thingy. I know, but if you actually use that sound, then you must be a crazy person. Okay. Daybreak is going in instant 5. If you have that sound, then you belong to the Dramartry Dash community. Plus, it's so calming. Like, hear it. So calming. But I'm not sure if it will wake you up. But it's so calming. Like it is really that calm to hearing that. So yeah, that's about it. I'll see you later. Bye.